Hey everyone, welcome back to Wolfmansgarage, and in this episode I'll be riding with the Old Bastards Vintage Motorcycle Club. I've recently become a member, actually, and, well, I've been going to their rallies since I was a kid, and since I took up motorcycle riding, I've really tried to get involved with them, so it's always been great to hang out with them. They're out of Delta, Ontario, but you can join from anywhere because there's no real charter. There's no real, it's just a group of guys and gals actually that ride. You can have an old bike. You can like old bikes. You can come out and hang out and have a good time. We hang out at the Subzero ice cream shop in Delta. So, anyways. So I have to record over this video because I tried my GoPro Hero 12 and I thought I could use the Bluetooth for my Sena helmet, because with the Sena helmet you can talk on the phone, you can listen to music, but it has the microphone and it works through Bluetooth. So anyways, I got back to my house and realized the footage I had recorded sounded terrible. So anyways, to the start of this video, I'm riding with Marge, Ray, and Dave. So Ray's the VP, Marge is the secretary, and Dave is in charge of memberships. So anyways, we're out riding around the Rideau Lakes and Leeds and Thousand Islands townships, just out for a ride before bike night. So in this episode, that's what we're doing. We're going for a cruise and we're coming back to bike night. Unfortunately, my camera died. I'm just started using this setup literally the day of, so bear with me on the bad quality. So I'd like to take maybe a different direction with my channel sometimes and make some moto vlogs with my GoPro on my helmet. So anyhow, if you ride motorcycle, let me know in the comments what you ride and where's your favorite place to ride and where you're riding in, like where are you from. And if you're in a riding club, let me know who you are, and it'd be kind of neat. So in this episode as well, I'll be talking with the president of the club, Lincoln, about the rally that's coming up, and just kind of talking to him a little bit. And there's a rally in September that they hold every year, and it's always a fun time. Unfortunately, I can't make it this year due to work, or I'd be recording it because it would be a really great time. So anyhow, I'm just trying to think of what to talk about. I got a few more minutes here to record. If you want, you can fast forward right to the end, right to when I get to bike night, and it wouldn't hurt my feelings, because this is about as awkward as it is for me as you watching it, if you've even made it this far. And if you've made it this far, I really appreciate it. Right now I'm in Alberta visiting a good buddy of mine and his wife, and just traveling all over Hell's Half Acre. It's been awesome, seeing a lot of neat, nice sights in Alberta, and I'm actually making a video about that as well, kind of a vlog about that. My last trip out, I recorded me and Dan going to a Richie Bros auction, and it's probably been my best video to date for viewers. So I really appreciate that. I'm not sure how that happened. I think it was the algorithm that took that over, to be honest with you. But hey, I got a lot of views and not a lot of dislikes. So if you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram and Facebook. I'd really appreciate it, and share with who you can. I have a lot more videos coming up. I got a few more to film. Thing is, my vacation here is a week, so I got a few more up my sleeve. Let's just put it that way. And hopefully I won't be uploading them as sporadically. so that way I can get more videos out sooner, so that way I can kind of keep my audience retention and you guys entertained. So anyways, oh, my bike is might as well talk about my bike. It's a 2001 Yamaha V-Star 1100. I bought it this year. Taxes were pretty good, so anyways, yeah, it's new to me, so it's been great. Anyways, here comes bike night. Well, I should have made sure the battery was up on the GoPro, because anyways, battery died on the ride. So we're at bike night, all kinds of bikes, people still showing up, having a good time. Yeah, I'll film some. I'm trying to respect everybody's wishes to be in the video and not to be in the video. So here we go. There's my machine. Turn it down there. Here's the star of the night, I'd say.
Very cool.
There's everybody's bike.
How you doing?
Not bad yourself. Yeehaw. Yes. Shadow arrow. Oh yeah. Right there. Right there is where it's at. Little fat boy. Wicked. Indians over there.
He doesn't identify it. Montgomery, right? He started that called Ken. He started that.
Choppy. Custom built.
So is that happened up there? I was there about the Oh yeah. All you guys are leaving over there. He doesn't have a dress code.
Believe it or not, that's a fat boy that's been customized to look like a panhead. There's the chip truck I was talking about. And there's old Subzero. Fat boy that is. Here we go. Alrighty, I'm sitting here with the president of the Delta chapter of the. No. Oh, we're just the main chapter.
No chapters.
No chapters at all.
No sections. Okay. No chapters in our club. We're all one.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. And you want to start it again?
No, that's how I wanted to set it up.
Okay.
I wanted you to explain that, because some people think there's chapters and stuff, right?
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
So yeah, no sections, no chapters. We're one club. Approximately 200 active members right now.
Okay.
Maybe 40 lifetime members.
Okay. How long has the club been up and going?
Club was started by a gentleman by the name of Ernie Olivo right here in Delta, Ontario, in 1982.
Okay. 82.
82.
That was a while ago.
Yeah. It was 5 old guys.
Yeah.
With, you know, motorcycle histories, racing, and sort of thing, working on old motorcycles, restorations, repairs. Well, maybe not so much restorations.
Yeah.
Because they were old school guys. They liked them rough and dirty.
Yeah.
But it started right over here in Ernie's garage.
Okay.
There were 5 members. He put an article in the newspaper and asked if there was interest. The next thing you knew, he had 20 people interested within a week.
Just like that.
And it's been, you know, up and down and primarily growing ever since.
Perfect. Okay. So when did the first rally happen?
Well, that depends on who you talk to.
Okay. Okay.
The first rally was actually a picnic in the park.
Okay.
And the second rally, I believe, was the same. So it was just a potluck dinner kind of thing in the gazebo.
Okay.
But that too grew and became a full weekend rally.
Okay.
It's held the second weekend in September every year. That's the weekend after Labor Day.
Yep.
In the family-run campground. It is family-oriented, and we do games. We hire a band. We have a couple of road rides, and I have a show and shine on Sunday.
Okay.
So
Perfect.
not licensed. It's a BYOB because it is a private campground.
Okay.
So there's a few rules there, but yeah.
Okay. Now, when did bike night start? It started because of COVID, did it not?
Bike night for our club started in 2020. Some
Okay.
of the guys decided to do a bike night. They did it for the summer.
Okay.
It worked out quite well. And then we had a hiatus, and my vice president Ray decided that we wanted to reinstitute it this year and see how it went.
Right.
So yeah, we picked Thursday nights. Sorry to those other clubs that are doing things on Thursday nights, but anybody that organizes anything, y'all know something going on somewhere every night of the week.
That's right.
So we just had to pick one and go with it, right?
That's right. Yeah, because I remember going to the 2020 rallies. That was when I had my Suzuki. Also, what kind of bike do you ride?
I have a 1500 Vulcan Classic.
Nice.
My wife has a 800 Vulcan Classic, and I've got a 68 Triumph Bonneville.
Oh, very nice. Yes, that's the way to do it. I ride a 2001 Yamaha V-Star 1100. In storage right now, I have my 1200 Suzuki Madura. That thing, I have my old LTD, gets better mileage than that bike, but
I have one of those too. But
yeah,
it doesn't get any mileage because it doesn't get ridden anymore.
No, eh?
It was designed to be a learner.
Yeah,
Teach my kid.
that's right. So, alrighty, check out other questions. What kind of games will we play at the rally?
Games are interesting, but they're family friendly.
Okay, yes.
There's no mustard coated hot dog.
Yes, I know that.
Any of that kind of stuff. So we do games that are singles oriented. We do games that are, I'll say couples. It takes two people to do them. We don't care, male and female. There's no mix, there's no nothing. Open to everybody. So there's a plank run.
Okay.
There's a slowest race. There's the tennis ball in the tube drop. There's a high bar water balloon toss.
Okay.
Right? You throw it over the high bar. When it comes down, it's going to be caught. There's a trick to that one.
Okay.
Guaranteed people will get wet.
And bike get
We've
washed?
made sure of it.
Okay.
And there won't be any of this reaching up and dropping it over the bar.
Okay.
You'll have to throw it,
Right.
and you'll have to throw it clean, or
All right.
you will get wet.
Okay, I like that.
Now, those standard family-oriented games.
Yeah, I've seen videos online of games that are kind of like,
Yep.
very-
No, none of that stuff.
Okay.
Last year, we always have people that come just for the games. I do give out plaques for them.
Okay.
There's a barrel race as well. That one's a fun one.
Like race around the barrels or
no.
push the barrel?
Push the barrel.
Okay, I've seen that before. Yeah.
No, this isn't quarter horses here. This is bikes. So
Yeah.
no barrel racing. This is a barrel push.
Yep.
And of course that's a teams one. Last year the whole thing, all of the games were dominated by a young lady who was first time to our rally,
Okay.
and she was driving a Honda Interceptor I believe it was an Interceptor. Yes, it was a Honda Interceptor that she restored herself.
Oh wow.
And
Good for
she
her.
she was all nervous about going, but very, very talented, very skilled, and she pretty much walked away with it.
Huh.
Year before, most years, it's another girl that wins most stuff.
Okay.
I won't mention her name,
Of course.
but also very, very talented, very skilled rider, been riding for years.
Okay.
But yeah, so that's basically it.
All right. Where would be the farthest you've heard of somebody coming for the rally?
Florida.
Florida. Okay. That's a good ride. That'd be 24 hours if you.
Well, they've been coming up for years.
Yeah.
So they winter in Florida, and there's friends from Kingston that winter with them.
Okay.
Then there's another couple in Pennsylvania that winter in Florida, and they all make sure to rent a cottage at the campground.
Okay.
And they come every year. Now there've been a couple of deaths in that group of 6.
Oh.
So they haven't been making it as much, and obviously with COVID they didn't come up. And
Right.
we didn't have a rally during COVID.
Yeah.
But yeah, Florida's probably the furthest that I can guarantee somebody came from.
Okay.
We did have one gentleman from England show interest in coming. I don't know. I can't confirm if we ever made it or not.
Okay. Now, I remember my dad used to go to the rally when I was a kid, and we had some friends of my dad's named Simon, I think was his name. He had a Volkswagen Westphalia. He'd always come to the rally too. I remember he'd fly in from England and would park the Westphalia at my dad's house.
Well, there you go. So we do have an English participant.
I was just thinking if there was anyone else.
Probably in the years before I was involved.
That would be the late 90s, yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Okay. Well, I think that covers everything. That was great talking to you.
You too. There is one thing I'd like to mention. For
Yes?
those that might end up coming to our rally in September.
Okay.
On Sunday morning, we have a standard show and shine, standard trophies for the different bikes. It is a vintage show and shine. However, in an effort to try to renew interest in garage finds, we have got a new trophy. I've tried it for the last couple of years. It's called the Shade Tree Mechanics Trophy. So here's the rules. It's the cheapest bike you can find, back legally on the road, no professional help, no professional paint. You know, tuning carburetors, yeah, I'm okay with. Having someone change the tires, I'm okay with. But if you can show me that you know, I paid $500 for the bike, I got it on the road for another $600, and here it is, it's in the running for that category.
I like that.
Okay.
A lot of my subscribers might actually be into. Okay. There you
And
go.
style does not matter.
Okay. If you're up to the challenge, by all means, go ahead. Well, I think that's going to do it for this episode of Wolfman's Garage. Like, comment, subscribe if you like what you see, and if you're out near the Delta area, come on out to the rally second weekend in September. We'll be here.
For sure.
Be a good time. All right. I'll holler at you later.